Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Talip and I am from Group 4. Today I was tasked to report about the common Philippine herbs used for preventing and treating diseases for animals. For our brief introduction, products made from botanicals or plants that are used to treat diseases or to maintain health are called herbal plants. So why this herbal plants are considered for medicinal purposes? It is because they are rich resources of ingredients which can be used in drug development, either pharmacopoeial or non pharmacopoeial, or called as synthetic drugs. In the Philippines, the use of herbal plants had been used by the ancestors a long time ago. It is mainly because many years ago the hospitals are not yet discovered. There's no source of medicines from local stores, or there were no medicine industry that time. Hence, our ancestors made discoveries, observation from their surroundings, and utilized these plant available materials found in nature and made them to practice these herbal plants to prevent and treat different types of diseases both in humans and animals. So, in our Philippines, or in our country, which is the Philippines, we have also so-called this um, albularios. So these albularios are called as traditional healers. We know that they heal sick people or other things by using plants. And at this concept, it is indeed that these locally available herbs can help the needs of farmers, especially for preventing and treating diseases for their livestock. Now, since the use of these herbal plants serves as medicines to prevent or treat different kinds of diseases to both humans and animals, its scientific application will fall into following categories or system according to plants medication. We have these systems such as integumentary system, reproductive system, urinary system, circulatory system, and ophthalmic system. Now, first, we will going to tackle about the integumentary system. First, we need to know what is integumentary system all about. So, this is a system that has set of organs to form outermost layer of an animal's body. It comprises the skin, as you can see on the pictures here on screen, and its appendages acting as a physical barrier between the external environment and the internal environment that serves to protect and maintain the body of the animal. So these are the following herbs or plants under the integumentary system. I cannot, I will no longer mention individually because it's too long. You can refer to our module chapter chapter 7 to have a better understanding and a clear understanding about this topic. So I can say that we have here bayabas. It's very common to us. Bayabas can heal wounds. We have tobacco, can heal surgical wound, and so on and so forth under the integumentary system. Next, we have reproductive system. So what is reproductive system? This system of an organism or known as the genital system. It is the biological system made up all the anatomical organs involved in sexual reproduction. So we have here examples under reproductive system. We have malunggay, gatas-gatasan, sampagita. Malunggay, based on research, it could boost fertility, and the sampagita can cure reproductive disorders and heightens sexual desire. So it is under from the reproductive system. Next, we have urinary system. From the word urinary system, it mainly focuses on the urine. So the urinary system, also known as the urinary tract or renal system, consists of the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and the urethra. And as what I have said, the urine, it also includes the urine. Then, the purpose of the urinary system is to eliminate waste from the body. That is, we need to urinate regularly. We need to regulate blood volume and blood pressure to control levels of electrolytes and metabolites and regulate blood pH. And we have here some examples of herbal plants under the urinary system. We have the sambong, we have the pansit-pansitan, and balbas pusa. Again, you can refer to the module, chapter 7, for this information. Now, next, we're going to tackle about the circulatory system. So, what is this circulatory system all about? It is a system of organs that includes the heart, the blood vessels, and blood, which is circulated throughout the entire body of a human or other vertebrate. It includes the cardiovascular system or vascular system that consists of the heart and blood vessels. So, under the circulatory system, the herbal plants, we have niyog or coconut. It could heal for or treat for dehydration, avocado for anemia, malunggay, anemia, luya, bawang, so on and so forth. So it heals, these herbal plants heals on our circulatory system, parts of the body under the circulatory system. Next, we have ophthalmic system. So what do you mean by ophthalmic system? So this system refers to the medical conditions relating to the eye or optical, something like that. And then the specific herbal plants we have under this system could be sampagita, elepante, gatas-gatasan, sampalok, pandakaking, so on and so forth. For eye infection, eye wound, sore eyes, all indication relating to eyes. Conjunctivitis, we have the cataract, and ophthalmia. Yeah, that's it. Now, let's move on to the ways on how to apply the herbal medicines. We have the two types. First, the oral, and the second one is the topical. But first, oral, it contains drenching, which is administered through the use of mouth, liquid or semi-liquid preparation through the mouth, and may use bamboo tube for the deliveration of the liquid to the mouth. Soft drink bottle could be syringe, sans needle, and or medicine dropper. The second one, we have forest feeding under oral. And application for this, solid preparation through the mouth. So it is a solid. When drenching is liquid, administration of liquid, the force feeding is the application of solid through the mouth. The second one is the topical. So we have fermentation, compress, and smudge. First, fomentation or FO, It is warm, moist substance, wet cloth applied to affected parts of the body. Second one is compress. It is the dry substance applied to the affected parts of the body. And smudge, it is a direct application of herbal preparation on affected parts of the body. So that's all of my report. Um, this will be continued to the next reporter. Thank you everyone for listening, and thank you, Mom. God bless and keep safe, everyone.